Hello children, in this video we are going to study Mathematics chapter 8 Mapping Your Way on page number 114. The central hexagon. If we zoom in to look more closely at one part of the map, it looks like this. Now children, what they have done is on last page we saw map 1. For that map, they zoom it and showed us one part of the map so that it can be look more closely. Now here are some questions below. Let's go through these questions. Now children, look at the shape of the yellow area. Have you seen this shape before? How many sides does it have? Now children, if you look at the shape of the yellow area, see this like this. This is the shape of the yellow area. If you have it here children, it will be like this. Beta children, this is like this. Okay. Now children, have you seen this shape before? Yes, we have seen this shape before and it is hexagon. Now children, how many sides does it have? See children, 1 side, 2 side, 3 side, 4 side, 5 side and 6 side. It has how many sides children? It has 6 sides. And children, this place is called as central hexagon. Now children, here are some more questions that you have to find out from the map. Now children, if you are walking on Rajpath, then after India Gate, on which side would Children's Park be? Now children, suppose you are walking on Rajpath. See children, this road is Rajpath. And if you are coming through India Gate and after India Gate, on which side would Children Parks be? It means what children? You are facing towards this side. So on which side your Children Parks? See, this is Children Park children. So on which hand the Children Park be? Yes, if you are walking from this side children, it would be to your right side. So answer to this question is right side. To your right side the Children Park would be. Now children, understood children this question? Now children, which of these roads make the biggest angle between them? Mansingh Road and Shahjahan Road. Now children, see children here. Angles are also given to you. This is Mansingh Road and this is Shahjahan Road. And angle forming between these two roads is like this. Which type of angle is this children? More than 90, less than 90 or 90 degree? Yes, it is less than 90 degree. Or you can say that it is an acute angle because we have already studied in angle that angles forming less than 90 degree are known as acute angle. Now children, Ashoka Road and Mansingh Road. Ashoka Road and Mansingh Road. See children, here one more angle we see. This is made between Mansingh Road and Ashoka Road, this much. So if you look at the shape of this angle, it is somewhat like this. So what type of angle is this children? It is more than 90 degree or it is obtuse angle. Now children, Janpath and Rajpath. See, this is Janpath and this is Rajpath. The angle formed them is exactly 90 degree or it is right angle. Okay children, now which of these roads make the biggest angle between them? If you look at these three angles children, which of them are making biggest angle? Yes, this part is making the biggest angle. So children, here you will write Ashoka Road and Mansingh Road are making the biggest angle between them. Understood children this question? Now the next question is, which of the above pairs of roads cut at right angles? Now children, again if you go through the picture map, you will find that Janpath and Rajpath are making 90-degree angle. And 90-degree angle is which angle, children? Yes, it is a right angle. Isn't it? Right angle makes the shape like L, and here we see here it is making a straight shape like L. So here the roads Janpath and Rajpath are making right angle. Here you will write, children, Rajpath and Janpath are making Rajpath and Janpath. Understood, children? Now children, waiting for parade. The next topic we will see in the next video. Till then, bye children. Have a nice time.